Okay. So next we are going to configure the same thing here and also in this place. So the switch 2, I'm going to configure the same thing I did, which is the VLAN, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, and VLAN 40. So config terminal, config T, VLAN 10, name, admin, VLAN 20, name, office. VLAN VLAN 30, name accounting. VLAN 40, name CCTV. So I will still configure the VTP here. So the VTP will be, this one will be client. The mode will be client, no server, because I already created the server already. So now to do that, which is VLAN truncate protocol, domain is sdn.com, if you can remember. VTP domain sdn.com. So version, VTP version 2, VTP password 123, VTP mode is client. Okay. So now let's configure the interface. If you can remember, this interface is trunk, should be trunk, configured to trunk. While all this will be access. These are access ports, while this is the trunk port. Okay, so now let's configure the trunk for now, the trunk port. So interface is 0/0 switch port trunk encapsulation .1q switch port mode trunk. So the description now will be link to switch 1, which is the go switch. So now let's check all the interfaces very well. Do show IP interface. So now I just configure this as trunk. So all these interfaces now, I'm going to configure all these interface 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to configure them as access port. Okay, this is a trunk port. Why this will be access? Let me show you from the topology, which is interface 1/0, interface 0/3, 0/2, and 0/1. All these I would configure them as access port. Okay, so let's do that now. Interface E0/1, switch port mode, access. So I'm going to place this interface into VLAN 10. So to do that, I will simply type switch port access VLAN 10. No shutdown. So now I will do the same for all other ports. So I'll be fast with this now. So 0/2, switch port mode, access, switch port, access VLAN, okay, switch port mode, access, switch port, access VLAN 20. Let me place this 20. Switch port, okay, no shutdown. So let me do the same for 3. Switch port mode, access, switch port, access VLAN 30. No shutdown. 1/0. Switch port mode, access, switch port, access VLAN 40. No shutdown. Okay, so let me do the same for this switch as well. Okay,